Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the BlackSmith Biometric Cash Drop Safe. We're going to open it up, show you what it looks like, test it out, and of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying.
Get it out of that box, you'll see instruction manual. You'll actually have two sets of keys that came in the orange bag, and this bag is all about the mounting, and I believe there'll be some information, or something for the electronics involved as well. But yeah, that's a little battery box here. But there's mounting holes in the back, as you can kind of see the lights. One thing I don't know if you'll see or not, it did come with a slight little chip. Not that I care, because it's a it's safe. But showing you the front here, we'll walk through kind of the details. Obviously, you'll have your turnkey lock. This has an extra screw that was actually in the base. Not sure what the detail is for that. Might just be an extra, so I'm just going to keep it in there. We've got our drop box where you'll just drop stuff in, and literally what it'll do is kind of drop right into the base. So if you're putting keys, money, whatever, I wouldn't necessarily throw jewelry in there, but just be aware that that's how that'll close. And you can see kind of the deadbolts on this thing. Now, I've got to get this connected and turned on and everything like that. There is a battery compartment right here. That's going to have some of your battery spaces. And it looks like we'll have a couple AA's, and then an additional kind of, I don't know, maybe it's that from that battery box. But anyway, we'll go ahead and try and get that connected and turned on, and then somewhere here we'll be able to open it that way, because as of right now I cannot do anything, and it just came that way. So be aware. That's how kind of it opened up on its own that way, and I haven't been able to close it. So we'll get it turned on. All right, so I've gotten this thing pretty much set up. One thing I didn't mention is that this bag is fireproof, and inside it also, and I'm just going to close it up. Inside that bag also was this little cover, and I'm going to bring you down now for this portion of it. So this literally just latches on like so, and if needed, what I can do is use my other set of keys, and there's two sets of keys, and that'll be kind of an emergency. It'll turn just a little bit, and then I'll be able to unlock whenever I want in an emergency. So I'm going to just keep that separate for now, and literally you just kind of put this on and then slide it, and it clicks into place. Now, there is a fingerprint button, which I'm not going to get into because, quite frankly, it was really messing with me. But I was able to set the code. The original kind of unlock code is in the instruction manuals and everything like that. And in there, and I don't know if you can really see it, there is a kind of an LED light. There's also a little green button there, and that's kind of your reset button. Once you have batteries in and everything like that, that'll allow you to kind of reset your lock. And from there, we can just kind of lock it. And there is an alarm if you mess up the code 5 times, or if you mess up your fingerprint a couple times, it'll just start to be this really loud and annoying alarm. And frankly, I set it off a couple times with my fingerprints, trying to set it, and so I was really just turned off by the fingerprint mode, so I just went right to the code. But overall, this thing is awesome. It's going to be great for my home, because again, I'm going to kind of store this in my office area. I have some stuff that I like to keep fireproof and safe, and this is going to do a great thing for me. I like the Dropbox capability to throw cash in there or whatever if I need to, or some jewelry, just quick, easy if I'm going out. So definitely worth buying. Hopefully this review helps you, and thanks for watching.